I don't really go with that. I have never counted a flower or I just don't do that. It's not my thing. And if you're a repeat customer, like with these things here, those flowers I bring, if it's a pre-made one that I pick up in the morning and bring, I pay $12, something like that. No, I'll tell you the truth, flat up. I may charge $20. That's what I was charging all summer. I made $8 on them. Normally in the store, they'd be 30. I do that for the group. But if people keep buying them and buying them and buying them, and it's a come on, and it gets you in the store, and then you buy a card and you buy something else, and a birthday, a funeral, then it kind of works out. But no, on Valentine's Day I don't stick. You'll pay the same price for your red roses on Valentine's Day now somebody else may pay $15 more, but Ralph is buying them for you. So that's how I work, which I get yelled at all the time. And Mark's probably going to walk in on the day of while I have a line of people and want me to stop, and I'll do his big bouquet, and but that's okay. That's how I do. You know what you get for $100. He can barely carry it out the door, but it's no big deal. I don't like to do that. Plants and everything right now, something happened that if you're going to go to Acme's or ShopRite's right now, Home Depots, wherever they have plants, there's been an infestation of something. Don't get anything for a few months from any of the stores. And I'm careful. I only order what I need for them because it was something from Brazil and it's in the soil. And they found out because it went into hospitals, and the front desk, I guess, apparently, or from whatever I was reading and told, that it got all the plants and people took it home, and it was, so it's some kind of bacteria. No, it's like a little bacteria. It's a little white thing. It's a clear white thing. It almost looks like a scorpion or a crab or something. But they said it did definitely come from the soil. So that's again where people who go to those places.
How do you know for sure you don't have something like that?
Well, see, our people could get completely. They sell the same flowers. My people will sell to Acme and ShopRite, but they can't do it with the plants because it's something with the horticultural. It's all supposed to be watched. Anything with soil, fruit, vegetation, that kind of thing. Somehow it slipped through.
When we came back from Puerto Rico, only Americans had to go through agriculture. They scanned all our luggage and everything. Canadians didn't, because they didn't care what went to Canada. But anything.
They check them in Canada when they arrive in Canada.
Okay, well, they didn't check them in Puerto Rico when they left. So everything that they took got on the plane and went. So
Yeah, they've been tough on it. I don't know how it broke through, but I was afraid because I don't want to take it home. If anybody's going to bring it home somewhere, it's going to be me, Well, it was at Trader Joe's and Home Depot was the big, but they supply all those kind of secondary stores,
But it's the plants, the soil.
Yes, it's the soil, not fresh flowers. No. I should tell you yes, and then you won't go buy them anywhere else. Fresh flowers are the worst. They're the worst.
Do they recommend something to the soil to kill it?
I think vinegar, they were saying, there's not really a lot you can do. Like, did you ever get those little gnats? Ever try to get rid of them? No, actually it doesn't. If you put it in a spray bottle and spray it on the leaves and all, it actually is okay. Like orchids, like coffee grinds. If you put a tablespoon of coffee grinds in your orchids, I just found out, which I never heard of in my life. But I went to take a delivery, and this woman had this window filled with these incredible, all variety of orchids in bloom.